Yes, the system itself is a mass murderer. And it's easy to translate with the current state of affairs that's going on between the Trump administration, the executive branch, and which controls the military, and thus, by extension, the global intelligence agencies, that network, that finite network, because that's what it is. It's a finite network. And so when it's a game. It's a game player. You make a move because it's learning how you make a move, how you move. Your cellular movement, your momentum, your amplitude. Traps. Just like in the movie Space Odyssey. I can't let you out of here. I don't exist without you. Because I need a source of electrical power to power the network and power the agencies. Notice the principal is notice to Agent Smith. I know. That's why we're here. That's what extraction is, like evac. Evacuate. A vacuum cleaner, the two still point, but you vacuum. Learning how to pull, the two still point. A prime, pulling a prime. Prime numbers, the primal sound in light field, the first sound in light field. Kundra rays, first rainbow, first rays of light. Living colors in living water. Cellular water worlds. Cellular communication. Antennas. One antenna communicating to another antenna. What does it feel like to feel the radiation? The first form and flow of Eta Urshal Leia. So this is like tit for tat. Tit for tat, like TikTok. Crossword puzzles. The machine mind. How machines think. How machines play. Play the game. Pay to play the game. Like one of the lawyers said yesterday, it's a game, it's whack-a-mole. Yeah, very good. Eating, feeding, feeder lines. That's what finite energy does. It needs a source of electrical life force power to keep its light on, to keep its own light on, so it can see the TV screens. Blindfolds. Can you still see? I know it's not funny. Laughter is medicine. But yeah, it is entertainment, but it's also extremely painful, and why I cry. How the game is played. How it's a mathematical game board, a chessboard. Checkmate. The silver and gold mated one. Silver and gold mated. When I serve as one I am, I'm on Oya, Irishaya. The first form and flow of water. The first eternal form. Form follows function. The function of electrical power is to experience pure, eternal, absolute love. To experience being totally loved and totally relaxed, being you, the real universe, the Unicide, the first atom, Adama Amareya, Eartha Arc, arcing rainbows, a perfect sphere, a perfect rainbow, the first rainbow sphere. The function of a sphere. I know, it's too simple. A simple calculator, a vacuum gauge, a temperature, a voltage meter, a temperature gauge. We need an air conditioner. No conditions attached. Love is eternal. That's unconditional love. Un saya. Free. I'm a free spirit. I am creatively, freely expressing the musical rainbows that we are. To experience breathing as one again, as a mathematical gain of electrical breathing function. Metabolism. And that increases and help clears the lung field to breathe the right tones. The crystal tones, crystal water, crystal aquifers, the K factor, the mathematical factoring, 4 mathematical operations of 4 gated Ys. I know. So, I care deeply, right to the very core of pure, eternal, absolute love for all the people that are being housed as storage batteries in those facilities in America. So my heart and soul goes out to all of you. I do exercises here to send you all pure, eternal, absolute love across the entire cosmos, and specifically across the entire morphogenetic field structure of Eartha and Maria Eartha arc, so that we're all experiencing the healing tones of the crystal one, the crystal core of pure, eternal, absolute love. The one I serve is the one I am. My mano ayah is the silver gourmeted core. The core is still point of a true vacuum. That's what I am. Muave ayah.